Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a 2-bedroom, 2-bath manufactured home at 26 O'Brien in Harbor Crossings. Harbor Crossings is a land lease community based in Egg Harbor Township, New Jersey. So first we're going to do a quick little walk around of the outside. It's a little bit of a dreary day here, so please excuse it looking not the best. But the inside still looks great. So here you can see the opposing staircases at the front. This house comes equipped with outside water and electric. There you can see an outside electrical outlet. Here's the outside water. And this is another electrical outlet on the outside here. So now we'll go take a look inside. So as you first come in, you've got this pretty spacious living room area. There's all vinyl flooring in this house. Here's the fan. This would be a perfect place to put a dining room table or a television. Right here we have the thermostat. This controls the central air conditioning. This is the island. Not all the houses come with islands. I've also got the nice chandelier right above. I think it casts like an amazing glow just on this whole space right here. You have an outlet on the island, which is really useful. There are all stainless steel appliances in here, all Whirlpool appliances. This is the stove oven combination, the microwave above. Right underneath you have a heating tray. Got this sort of robin's egg backsplash. Sink there. Here's that chandelier again. Now, all the appliances in this house also come with a warranty through the manufacturer. This is the second entrance, and we have the electrical panel here. It's all labeled right there, and this is just like any other regular house. So it has 100 amps. Here is where you can put the side-by-side washer and dryer. Got some cabinetry right above, so perfect place to put linens or what need you. Here is the bathroom. Got double bypass doors there, 2 seats in, and then there's a little window above to bring in some extra light here. Now we'll go take a look at the bedroom. Be in the corner here, so you can kind of get a feel of how large this room is. And over here, we have the water heater. Here is the closet. Here's the whole house shutoff valve. Got some extra screens in here. And on the wall here, we have the Energy Star certification. Now there's a few things that go into the Energy Star certification here. One of those being the appliances being energy efficient. Another being the double thermal pane windows that we have in this house. That does a great effort to keep the hot air in during the cold time of the year and the cold air in during the summer. Now, as you saw before, this house comes with these new doors, as you can see as we're coming up. Here is the furnace. And this is what is responsible for the forced hot air and the central air conditioning. And it's super easy to replace the filter right here. This is the second bathroom. This one has a bathtub in it. And again, there's that little window right above, so it brings in some more light. And this is the second bedroom. So hopefully from this corner you can see, get a gauge of how large this room is. And lastly, we'll take a look at the closet. Now, if you're looking to learn more about this home or any of the other homes that we have at our community, please go to www.myhomeinharbor.com. There you can fill out the pre-qualifying questions, which will get you updates on any new houses we build or list, and will get you started on the path to potentially owning one of these homes. Thank you.
Harbor Crossings is a Dolan Homes community owned by the Dolan family. We're a small family business. We've been in operation for almost 40 years now. This is Robert Dolan, who is the managing member of Dolan Homes. We build innovative, quality manufactured homes in our 3 New Jersey communities: in Edison Mobile Estates, Harbor Crossings, and Carteret Mobile Park. This is my husband, my nephew, and my son. This is our amazing crew. Everyone's on board to build you the most beautiful manufactured home. This is our maintenance team in Harbor Crossings. This is our construction team. Our community is a beautiful, safe location for having a home, making it affordable. Harbor Crossings pays the real estate taxes, so you're leasing the land, and we're building beautiful manufactured homes. This is my husband and myself. This is our office fronting Black Horse Turnpike. You can email us for an appointment. We see everybody by appointment only. This is our office. We have everybody go to the website where all the explanations, the process, and the available homes are listed. We're really proud of our location. We're in the downtown Egg Harbor Township area, just about to be redeveloped, which is called the Cardiff Redevelopment, and it's going to encompass the whole area in which we are located, and they'll be adding more sidewalks and better access to stores on the other side where the old Boscov's and the Harbor Square is located. And it's a very exciting time to be in Egg Harbor Township. We're minutes from the beaches and great locations. So come check us out. We can't wait to hear from you. There's our website. That's where you start.